Hey everyone, Sam from Nautique Central, just kicking things off at the Somerset Dam Social Day for 2019. Awesome weather, a little bit of wind, but we're going to tuck up inside Beams Alley and find some flat stuff, enjoy a bit of lunch, all raft up, and watch the action. Big thanks to everyone that came along and got involved in the Nautique Central Social Day again this year. It was even bigger and better again for 2019. For those of you watching this video that own a towboat of any type or any brand, this weekend is about appreciation of the sport. So next year, if you have a Tige, a Mastercraft, a Malibu, a Supra, a Moomba, a Camaro, Matrix, come along and get involved. It's one thing seeing another boat go past on the dam, it's another thing meeting and greeting everyone that's out on the water and getting to know them. There's a lot of people that are new to the sport this year, a lot of new faces. It's great to have them involved. Big thanks to Cory, who rode awesome. I saw like half a dozen doubles that he threw. We had almost 50 boats in the alley, all enjoying the show. Big thanks to Mick Banning, who donated the surfboard. All the funds are going to Children's Cancer Institute. Another big thanks to Water Skiers Connection, Masterline, everyone that got involved, the dam shed, the lockup. Just want to thank everyone. You guys are awesome. Come get involved next year. It's going to be bigger again.